Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. I'm Mr. Ril Chavez and I'm going to discuss standard deviation of group data. The formula for the standard deviation of group data is equal to the square root of the summation of the product of the frequency and the square of the deviation from the mean divided by the total frequency. Dito sa mean of group data, it is assumed that all the items in a particular class are evenly distributed throughout the class. Dapat, yung arithmetic mean niya would fall at the midpoint of the class. Ito ngayon yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, mean of group data, ito yung x bar is equal to the summation of fx over n. Kung saan, itong x bar, siya yung mean. Yung f naman, siya yung class frequency. Yung x naman, yun yung kanyang class midpoint. And n, siya yung total number of observations. The table shows the group distribution of the scores made by 50 students in a periodical test. So, kung mapapansin nyo sa scores, doon sa 15 to 17, mayroong 4 na nakakuha. Sa 18 to 20, mayroong 3 na nakakuha. Dito naman sa 21 to 23, merong 4 na nakakuha. Kung bibilangin nyo, kung ilang estudyante yan, makikita nyo rito sa N, lahat sila ay 50. Now, let's observe the interval. Anong interval natin dyan? Ang interval natin ay 3. Paano ang 3? Tingnan natin dito 15 to 17. 15, 16, 17. Di ba tatlo? Dun sa 18 to 20. 18, 19, 20. Doon naman sa 21 to 23. 21, 22, 23. Ngayon naman, kunin natin yung class mark. Ito yung class mark. It is simply as the midpoint of the class. So, paano natin kukunin yon? I-add lang natin yung lower limit and upper limit. Then, divided by 2. Subukan natin yung first example, 42 plus 44 is 86. Divided by 2 equals 43. Lagyan natin dito 43. Then, 39 plus 41, ilan? 80. Divided by 2, 40. Next, we have 36 plus 38 is 74. Divided by 2 is 37. Next, 33 plus 35, 68 divided by 2, 34. Next, 30 plus 32, ilan? 62 divided by 2, 31. 27 plus 29, 56 divided by 2, 28. Dito sa 24 plus 26 equals 50. Divided by 2 equals 25. Lagyan natin dito 25. 21 plus 23 ilan? 44. Divided by 2. 22. 18 plus 20, 38. Divided by 2, 19. And 15 plus 17, ilan yon? 32. Divided by 2, 16. So, yun yung ating class mark. Matapos makuha natin yung class mark, etong class mark, imumultiply natin siya sa frequency. Halimbawa, 3 times 43 equals 129. 3 times 40, 120. 5 times 37, 185. 9 times 34 equals 306. 10 times 31, 310. 6 times 28, 168. 3 times 25, 75. 4 times 22 equals 88. 3 times 19 equals 57. 4 times 16 equals 64. Ngayon, dito sa column ng fx, isusulat natin sa baba yung summation of fx. Ano ibig sabihin nun? I-add natin ito. 129 plus 120 plus 185 plus 306 plus 310 plus 168 plus 75 plus 88 plus 57 plus 64. So, ang total niya ay 1,502. Ngayon, kompleto na. Gagamitan na natin siya ng formula ng mean of group data. So, ano na ngayon ang formula natin uli? Sa mean of group data, we have x bar equals the summation of fx over n. Ang nakuha nating summation of fx ay 1,502. Samantala, ang n naman natin ay 50. Ayan, o. So, 1,502 divided by 50 equals 30.04. Ito na ngayon ang ating mean of group data. Para sa deviation, kunin natin yung mean, then subtract natin yung nasa midpoint, no? Halimbawa, 30.04 minus 43 equals negative 12.96. 30.04 minus 40 equals negative 9.96. 30.04 minus 37 equals negative 6.96. 30.04 minus 34 equals negative 3.96. 30.04 minus 31 equals negative 0.96. 30.04 minus 28 equals 2.04. 30.04 minus 25 equals 5.04. 30.04 minus 22 equals 8.04. 30.04 minus 19 equals 11.04. 30.04 minus 16 equals 14.04. Let's have another column for the square of the deviation. Ang gagawin lang natin, mula dito sa mean minus midpoint or class mark, imumultiply lang natin siya by itself. No? For example, negative 12.96 times negative 12.96 equals 167.9616. Negative 9.96 times negative 9.96 equals 99.2016. Negative 6.96 times negative 6.96 equals 48.4416. Negative 3.96 times negative 3.96 equals 15.6816. Negative 0.96 times negative 0.96 equals 0.9216. Dito naman, 2.04 times 2.04 equals 4.1616. 5.04 times 5.04 equals 25.4016. 8.04 times 8.04 equals 64.6416. 11.04 times 11.04 equals 121.8816. And 14.04 times 14.04 equals 197.1216. Let's have another column for the product of the frequency and the square of the deviation. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Itong mga nasa frequency na ito, imumultiply lang natin dito sa square of the deviation. Ngayon naman, imultiply natin itong frequency sa square of the deviation. For example, 3 times 167.9616 is equal to 503.9616. 3 times 99.2016 is equal to 297.6048. 5 times 48.4416 is equal to 242.208. 9 times 15.6816 is equal to 141.1344. 10 times 0.9216 is equal to 9.216. 6 times 4.1616 is equal to 24.9616. 3 times 25.4016 is equal to 76.2048. 4 times 64.6416 equals 258.5664. 3 times 128.8816 is equal to 365.6448. And 4 times 197.1216 is equal to 788.4864. Dito sa i-add natin itong nasa column na ito. Ito yung tinatawag nating summation of f d squared. Ang total niya ay 2,707.9888. Ngayon igagamitin na natin siya sa ating formula. Ang formula natin ay S is equal to the square root of the summation of f d squared over n. Yung d natin ay difference of the mean and the midpoint. So, anong nakuha nating summation of the f d squared? 2,707.9888 divided by n. Ano bang n natin? Ang n natin ay 50. So, ang magiging result niya ay the square root of 54.159,776. So, ang square root niya ay 7.359. Ito na ngayon ang ating standard deviation.